We're the Farleys, and we just want to share a little bit about what Right Now Roofing has done to be a great, tremendous blessing to us. So,
We recently found a leak in our daughter's room, and she's, a little baby. So we needed it fixed pretty quickly. And they came in, took a look at the leak, and then we're able to go ahead and look at the roof and find out that we had some significant hail damage. They advised us on how to work with the insurance company.
which was really important because it
We
was
had
kind
no
of
idea.
scary to kind of figure out what that process looks like.
Yeah.
So it was definitely something that they really helped to walk us through all the steps and what the insurance will say to us, and then really how to work together with the insurance company. So
We had a joint meeting together. We had the insurance go ahead and take a look at the roof, and we indeed were eligible for a replacement. And they got it done so quickly. I mean, it was just shortly over 24 hours, and we had a totally new roof. The crew that came, they were extremely thorough. They cleaned up everything. They were very friendly.
they were prompt when he said that they were going to come. They came on time. So that was great. Then they were very courteous to us. So
Right.
That's what I like. I like that too. That they were just a nice crew, and shared the process of where they were at and when they would leave. So that was good.
I'd say the turnaround was maybe a week. It was seamless. So we definitely recommend Right Now Roofing. If you have any issues that are similar to ours, so give them a call.
Yeah, any roofing problems, any challenges that you have. Again, we just had a leak in our baby's room, and that ended up turning into hail damage on our roof. So, they thoroughly checked it out. So I definitely recommend, and we will be recommending to our friends and to our family members.